Tuberculosis or TB is a curable bacterial infection that has become an epidemic. When a patient misses his or her doses of medicines and defaults, drug resistance develops or MDR-TB occurs. E-compliance is a biometric device that ensures that every dose is taken in front of a health worker. This way we can turn off the tap on MDR-TB. It was visualized by Operation Asha, who did the systems analysis. Microsoft and innovators in health did the technical work. A joint team carried out field trials.
Tuberculosis is simply a bacterial infection, fully curable. In spite of that, there are 8 million new cases in the world each year, and 1/4 of the world's TB burden is in India. Tuberculosis is treated with the DOTS program, DOTS being an acronym for Directly Observed Therapy, the short course. DOTS alone is not enough to curb the TB epidemic in high-burden countries. So what is the way ahead? It is technology linked with community empowerment, which is what Operation Asha has been doing.
E-compliance is a simple system comprised of 3 off-the-shelf components: a laptop, a fingerprint reader, and an SMS modem. Patient will register through the fingerprint reader when they first start their treatment. Every day that a patient is to take medicines, they will verify the visit by scanning their finger on the reader.
हम लोग जो है आते हैं क्लिनिक में और जो है सबसे पहले उंगली का निशान लगाते हैं, उसके बाद जो है रजिस्टर्ड हो जाता है हमारा नाम.
E-compliance maintains an attendance list that shows our counselors which patients have already taken and which still need to take their medicines that day. If a patient ever misses a dose, the system will send a text message to the counselor and also to the program manager to notify them that a follow-up visit is required within 48 hours. The counselor will then take the e-compliance terminal to the patient's house with the medicines. She will take the patient's fingerprint at his residence, educate the patient and his family on the dangers of MDR, and will observe the patient taking medicines.
सर इसके आने से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है कि हमें पता चल जाता है कि हमने कितनी दवाई खाई है, कब से दवाई खा रहे हैं, इससे कुछ मिस नहीं हो सकता हमारा.
Every evening, the system automatically sends the attendance information to an online SMS server. We will then download the data into our reporting system, giving us multi-level and up-to-date information. From the reporting system, we can keep track of each counselor's performance and quickly identify any medicine inventory shortages.
E-compliance में हम पेशेंट का फर्स्ट टाइम रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं, इससे हमें ये पता चल जाता है पेशेंट रेगुलर आ रहा है, उसने एक भी दवाई मिस नहीं करी है.
From the counselor's perspective, it's a win-win situation. The counselors are getting knowledge about computers and technology. It's adding greatly to their skill sets, and also it gives them great respect in the community. And these are people who come from disadvantaged backgrounds who are barely able to read and write.
E-compliance आने से काफ़ी फ़ायदा हो गया है. कुछ मरीजों को नहीं, ज़्यादातर लोगों को ये हो गया है कि हमारा इतना ध्यान रखा जाता है कि यहाँ पे जो भी हम दवाई खाने नहीं आ रहे तो इसकी खबर ऑफिस में होती है. Technology prevents human error. Technology saves time. Making the reports becomes very simple. There is multi-level transparency, multi-level accountability. There's synchronization of data. There is accuracy of data at every level for retrieval, for analysis, for preparing reports. And we can give incentives accurately based on the technology device. E-compliance applied to 3.5 million TB patients in India will save more than $300 million year after year in a poor country. So that is the way ahead. Tuberculosis has been around since times immemorial. E-compliance is the compelling solution that will finally eliminate this dreaded disease and secure a safe future for millions of disadvantaged TB patients.